Gaza Nation. This is how the city look when it's raining. You see it? A big rain from morning. Rain is in the city. You see what I said? And then no gimmicks thing. You see what I mean? I saw the city look Gaza Nation when I see it raining. You can't even see up. Everywhere black up. Because what? It rain from morning. You still see the ferry on the water, don't it? And then a lollipop thing. You can see the vehicle them on the bridge them. And you can see every bridge in New York from your say, you know. You see what I deal with? That's how high things started. You can see every bridge in the city. But here, man, what? And the world, it's not a plan. Watch what going. Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I come for representing, you know it already. A full effect thing when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. You don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, no man. Hey, yo, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely, watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Right about now, you know. I'm telling you something about me. I don't collect clout and highlight for not at all what I don't deserve. That's what I'm dealing. Me is not a youth who like run into mix up business because my friend them G'd up. I'm a grow up and born G'd up. I'm not really born like regular people. You see me? Because I'm not born in a hospital, my brother. When I born, a big flood out the island up. And my father has to carry the nurse on him back. Water up to him thigh, passing knee. You see what I'm dealing? So I'm not born in a hospital where the whole of Kingston Jubilee look up underneath my mother bum boy. You hear me? I'm born in my house. You hear me? So that for sure I say, yo, me's a rough youth from birth. I don't want to come laugh and play with me like some gimmicks business. Because when I represent in a lollipop way. I'm not coming to look no clout or no hype. Highlight, no hype from nobody. I saw me as a youth role. Me is a serious youth dog. I'm serious with anything at all I believe, you know. You see what I say? So right about now, you know, dog. Last night, you know, I see some look at people that text me, you know, and I tell me, you know, about me, why Vybz Kartel post something on him IG. But I ask you something. When last you have people can tell Vybz Kartel what to do? Everybody knows that Vybz Kartel is a face to you from a long time. Eh? When you see me, Vybz Kartel never come in my comment box, you know, with a video when I do, you know, I'm not come send nothing at all, you know, and I'm not post up that, you know. Give thanks to the video them where Vybz Kartel post. But I'm telling you something. Wagwan from Vybz Kartel start post up my video. Because come like you don't even know Wagwan, through me just stay and easy. And I do what I feel like, what I feel comfortable with. I'm telling you something. I never monetize my channel, you know. Long while I have my channel and not monetize it, you know. Yo, I hear to boss tell me, you know, say 10 star monetize your channel, you know. Because I tell him I don't monetize, you know. And him say I lie, me I tell, you know. And I say no, I don't monetize. And hear to boss say no 10 star, you have to monetize your channel. And it not care when I tell the man just stick on that because live media talk to him. The man say no, monetize your channel, you have to monetize your channel. Yo, me used to get like 1,000 odd subscribers at daytime on them shit there, you know. Yo, from I monetize my channel and Kartel start post up my video them and them shit there, you know. A big fight my channel get, you know. People can have a subscribe like that to my channel, you know. I don't know how, you know. Because remember, me is not an internet fanatic, you know, my virgin. I don't know how, you know. That's why I deal with. I don't know where YouTube are going with, or I don't know where some people are going with, or what really are going. But I care less. You see what I deal with? Because I not depend upon YouTube for feed my family and send me youth them go school. That's why I deal with. That's why I not laugh with it. And any boy violate them, get them head chop off with it. And I don't know gimmicks thing. So right about now, you know, I'm telling you this. Me no want nobody to mix up my name in another local lollipop thing. Here what I go on. If you don't want to mix up, you don't have to go to King mix up with them thing there, you know. Or go over chat and laugh. You see me over lava sound. You don't play with my shit dog, because I don't deal with lollipop thing. And anything what I tell you about my brethren, a constructive shit I talk about. I don't talk about no lollipop thing, my brethren. Now I don't tell no lie upon nobody if you hold no clout nor them shit there. So it's that type of highlight there, I don't want it. And I don't want it for my name, my brethren. As I said, my friend them, G'd up. Me myself G'd up. I born and grow G'd up. So I not deal with lollipop thing, I not deal with shisky bag thing. I not deal with dumacheski thing. I don't want to highlight half of that. You see me? And it could have given me 1 million subscribers, I don't want it. I don't need them clout there, dog. I not born hype, I not tell you that, man. You talk about me too hype. I born hype, my brethren. I don't know gimmicks business. I don't know lollipop thing, my brethren. I don't act like a joke thing, my brethren. I don't born hype, dog. I travel fox and ballet my way go school and them shit, dog. From 1988, right after Gilbert election, my mother come to America, my brethren. I'm already telling them say my father own a security company, dog. I don't born a joke with, dog. I don't born hype, my brethren. My sister them passed them exam from them in a 5th grade, my brethren. Stop playing with me, son. You know what I mean? I act like so stupid, my brethren. Me can't tell Vybz Kartel what to do. I not even go over there go reason with the man. And I wanna never say where the man post something on him IG. I don't even know. Because I go over there go look. So let me ask you something. Are the first Vybz Kartel ever post up shit on him IG? Or the first him a lick out for a certain individual on him IG? Yo, my brethren, I don't want my name about them shit, my brethren. But no mix up thing. You hear me? I not deal with that. I defend Gaza. Revolution style with my mouth on the internet. You see me I deal with if you no look and notice, I not do nothing else. Not even review some song. Just know a straight revolution style I deal with when it comes to Gaza. You don't understand what I say? Yeah. I don't deal with no gimmicks thing. So I don't want to feel like so well then, yo, I bash 10 star, did I bash Sheba or whatever. No. I update grade our knowledge to the music thing. You know what I mean? Psychologically. You know what I mean? If she can look behind the line and see what I really I said to her. Because question where she has said. You know what I mean? Because she need to do more research about the business part of music than anything else before you can even come out and say, well then you say certain things span the media. Because when you bring it to the media, the public, you bring it to worldwide. I don't know joke shit. You see what I deal with? I don't know gimmicks thing about it. You know what I mean? And from you bring it to the media, you know what will happen and them shit there. You see what I deal with? Because you know say a whole heap of media outlet you have to go pick up shit and run with things. And so you have to know what you bring to the media. You can't bring the wrong thing. You have to do your investigation, do your research. That means you're educated about where you come talk about. You see what I deal with? You can't talk shit and it not make no sense, my virgin, and you bring it public. You see what I deal with? Me not need that for my name. So I just try clear up that and make sure, and the teacher can tell you that. Me and him not have no conversation whatsoever about where I'm right up my brethren. You know what I mean? Me see it just like everybody else. You know what I mean? We're there on him page. Or anybody who ever look on him page and see it. Me see it just like everybody else. Me no want that type of aisle like that. You see what I deal with? Man on a lollipop yo. Me not deal with shishki bag thing. You see what I deal with? I want you to know that. I don't have a drip of funny boy blood in my vein, dog. I don't know gimmicks thing. So I don't want a man come with no look of foolishness to me and try to get me in another form of mix up thing. You see what I deal with? Because I make sure state my argument from morning. I make you know it's not about bashing Sheba, it's about ask, it's about question where she has said. You see what I deal with? So I can't in a nothing whatsoever. You see what I deal with? I don't know gimmicks business. So I don't want nobody to come and post about 10-star cars. 10-star cars on a bumper ass clot. 10-star cars what? Eh? Or 10 star for cause that. When since 10 star responsive vibes cartel finger them when press up on him when type board. When since 10 star response to that. Vibes cartel wait till 10 star talk before him use up him trigger finger or him writing finger. Remember them man they tell us he make pen a tip too, you know. You see what I deal with? A 10 star response to that. Yo, you ease on yourself, you know. Or understand yourself, you know, my brother. You know what I mean? Don't try and get 10 star in and a mix up business, you know. Boy, I fight against 10 star channel, you know. Wicked, you know. You know, hear 10 star a ball, nah create no havoc about that, you know. That's where I deal with. I don't see. When the general post up my video, them, you know, my virgin, because I just know the general post up my shit, you know. When the general post up my shit, you see me take my thing and I'm calm with it and I'm easy with it, dog. You know, see me hype with it, you know, see me screenshot, no, I post it up back on my channel and I go on excited way, dog. When you see me relax and easy and calm with my big upright and graceful with it, dog. Don't it? Yo, I don't want to mix up on my name, my virgin. You see me? I don't tell Vybz Kartel if I do nothing at all, my virgin. You see what I deal with? So nobody come laugh up, kind of mix up come over my thing, you know. And feel like when I can carry no mix up come over my name, you know. Because I don't laugh with it, you know, dog. I'm not easy like how I think, you know, dog. Because I can get real rude if I want to, you know. Then I don't have it, you know, me. All you have to do is just provoke me and everything bust out. And I have that gimmicks thing, man. All you have to do is just provoke me, man, and everything explode out, man. I don't know, joke thing, man. I have it, man. I don't have to make up nothing, man. I can just go off, man, like a time bomb, man. One time, man. I don't know, joke shit, man. I'm telling the shit when I not even know, man. And the first one I hear them argument there. That's how dark I can get my virgin. I don't know, joke thing, man. Remember, I hardcore ghetto youth, you know. I have style and lyrics for days, you know, and years, you know, man. I don't know, gimmicks business, you know, my brother. I don't have to talk to in a regular life if I want to, you know, dog. You see what I deal with? I have it in a stack and pile, you know, my brother. I don't know, gimmicks business, you know. So when time people see me I represent, I don't want to feel like I'm a lollipop thing. Gaza Nation, I don't know the thing going on, the general, the 10 star one, I represent, and I just have to clear up that before it going further. So as I said to the people, them, I don't want to mix up, I have to go over king mix up, and I have to go over chat and laugh. And them people that deal with that type of stuff there. I think they're going to go on 10 star channel when time I sound the big thing, them and I drop necessary equipment. A serious thing I deal with, I not deal with no lollipop thing. Anyway, at the general, the 10 star one I represent, and you know what I say? A Gaza way. Hey, there ain't no other way. Yo, a 10 star, the general, the choosing one, the people's champion. Watch. A Gaza favorite. What? Watch.